I've made videos about these SmallRig batteries before, but I wanted to give you a hands-on demonstration of how I use them because I think they really add a lot of value to any camera kit. These SmallRig batteries are NP-F style, meaning they're SONY batteries, the NP-F mount. They can power a variety of devices as long as they support this style battery, NP-F. These have the added feature of an LCD display that shows you how much battery percent is left. Just tap this button and you get a nice little digital display there that shows you your remaining power, which is very useful. But the most valuable part of these batteries to me is this USB-C output here. This is USB PD, so it can actually give quite a bit of power, especially if you're trying to power something like a camera. So this monitor is the Hollyland Mars M1 Enhanced. It has your classic Sony NP-F battery spot here on the back, and we just slot that in. So you could do this with any Sony NP-F battery, but what you can't do with most NP-F batteries is have this USB-C output here on the bottom, which means I can run a small USB-C jumper cable right to the side of the camera, powering my S5 Mark II. Lots of cameras nowadays have USB power input support. So with one battery, I can keep my camera charged and my monitor with a simple USB-C PD cord. These batteries are really affordable. This white strip of gaff is just for my labeling purposes. It doesn't mean anything. I could write on there if I wanted to. But having this USB output is so much more valuable than the battery alone. It allows me to shrink my camera rig down substantially so I have less cables to worry about, which is very helpful. And the fact that these are so affordable makes it really easy to get a few of them to power a variety of things. So maybe it's a light that you need to add a little bit of power to. I've done that with the SmallRig lights. There's the 60B that has USB-C power. But the other great advantage of these is because they're always in my kit, always available to charge my camera, my monitor, whatever it is. That USB-C output can also charge something like your phone. So instead of bringing an extra battery bank just to have backup battery for your phone, I can just use one of these USB-C output right, again, with a little jumper cable right into my phone, keep that powered all day. And the great thing about these is that they're super easy to charge. Get a squid tentacle out of a USB-C PD power bank output wall adapter, get a squid, you can plug each of them in and they'll charge. They don't charge instantly. It does take, I want to say, a couple hours to charge them from drain to full. But when you're putting things on charge, it's usually overnight or it's off to the side while you have your other batteries for powering your cameras throughout the day. Just a really easy way to maintain kind of your entire power infrastructure in your kit, whether it's for your camera, for your monitor, for a light. It's really easy to use these on almost any kit, and I'm surprised that they're not more popular. I would think that everyone would be running something like this because so many cameras nowadays have the USB-C power input, but some people don't want to sacrifice USB-C for power. They want to record to an SSD, and I totally get that. So it would be nice if one day we got cameras that had multiple USB outputs, or inputs rather. So either way, however you want to use it, I think these are super helpful to have. And again, not that expensive for batteries. Batteries tend to be more expensive, especially if you're looking at the Anton Bauer Gold Mount or even V Mount batteries. These Sony NP-F ones always seem to be the cheaper ones. And to keep things small and lightweight, you can have something like this on your rig, keeping your camera charged, giving your monitor plenty of power. Very, very helpful. And like I said, good if you need a backup to charge your phone, charge something else, even a laptop. Plenty of things need USB-C power. So having that right on the Sony NP-F battery is great. I would never go back to a battery without one like that, because not everything has NP-F mounts. Like, this is kind of custom, kind of proprietary for filmmaking, for photography equipment, for cameras. USB-C, universal. You can use it so many places, and I really like these. Maybe you need to charge your microphone case. Also very common. USB-C in, right into the battery. Plenty of extra juice to get you through the day, through the week, whatever you need. Super helpful, super handy, and that's why I bought so many of them.